As we continued our journey from the Gathaburu temple, we had the opportunity to further experience this beautiful nature. As you can see, there is a lot of greenery and mountains, and what you don't feel in this video is that it is really cool. With the help of maps, we have come a long way and we came past the Deniyaya town. And as we came along, we passed a spot where the vehicles are stopped, where you can book a ride, a safari jeep ride to Patna. If you are willing to go to Patna using those safari jeeps, then you have to stop there, park your car, and book a ride. As we were on our three-wheelers, we were hoping that we could reach furthermore in our own vehicles. There are two ways to get to Patna. One is the one I mentioned here. You can book a safari jeep ride and they use one path. But on our three-wheelers, we are using another path where we will have to go through tea estates and a more picturesque path. We definitely wanted to experience that, so we decided to move forward on our own vehicles. And as I said, none of us were sure about the exact road to get there. Somehow, with the help of some people met on the road, we found a way and we are now climbing up a road which is really difficult. As you can see, this road is really damaged and it is very difficult to go on even using the three-wheelers. On our way, we came across this beautiful spot. A nice little water stream is flowing there, but given the season it is a bit dried out, but it is such a beautiful place, so we decided to have a stop and took some pictures as well. And then we continued on our journey, but we are unsure where to stop to get to Patna. So we kept climbing on this road where we are going around a mountain and going higher and higher. On our way, we met another set of people. They were on a cab and we were all going together, but even them didn't know where to stop exactly. As we kept on going higher and higher, the views were getting better and better. As you can see, as we climb this mountain, the surrounding area is really visible, and on a clear day, this is such a beautiful sight. We kept going up, and with these states everywhere, the view is so beautiful, but unfortunately, we couldn't find how to get to Patna. The map was showing a different path. We couldn't go. We actually cannot go using our vehicles. And we all got fooled by the map. So if you are traveling, make sure you have someone who knows this place around, because otherwise you might get lost. But worry not. In my video series, if you watch this properly, you will have a clear idea on how to get to Patna. So, back to the story. We are almost at the top and we are almost at the entrance of the World Heritage Sinharaja Forest. So that means we missed the entrance or the place we have to stop to get to Patna. So we decided to come back down. We actually went past the place we had to stop. So we are going back down and got to the correct spot now. I will show in the next video the exact location where you have to stop if you are using this path to get to Patna. So we stopped our vehicles on the side of the road, got changed, then we have to walk. This place, I don't know what exactly it is. It is some sort of I don't know, it is a tea collection center, or I don't know what it is actually, but this is the building and this is where you have to go, and you have to walk from here, and you will be walking through a tea estate, and the journey seems to be really exciting and adventurous. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and stay in touch with the planner. Also, if you have any questions or any more details you want to know about, you can comment them down below in the comments section. Is Patna really worth the hype? Did we choose the correct path to get there? Questions will be answered in my next and the final vlog of this Deniyaya series. Bye for now.